My experience was in the hospitality department during Vocation High School. Getting into the merger was what I wanted the beginning of school. There was no shadow of this merger in the idea if the lesson of materials that I was going to run. I all started without me know what this expect. When I first introduction to hospitality, I thought was only about sales or marketing. However, after I learned everything, I was beyond my expectation. I was able to learn many things that I had never imagined before. This merger not only student marketing but also how to organizing layout, maintenance of the room and building, provide satisfactory service to hotel guests, give them a good impression so they will turn and much more. In Vocation High School, I learned quickly to how to job at training at a off-campus hotel of Flormont and the rest at school hotel. My first experience was being away from home and having to do activity as if I were working in the hotel. At was questioned in the housekeeping department, which I thought would be the easy because it only related of hygiene. I jumped directly into the hotel work that a room boy usually does or handle the public areas. I almost give up in the first week. It was just about maining cleaning but also work shortly and ensuring property argument and cleaning were always maintained in all parts of the hotel. Moreover, when I was transferred to learn how to clean a room or make up a room, it was very different from the practice or theory I learned at school. In reality, not everything a student could be applied when working in hospitality. There were several standard operational procedures that differ from the theoretical concept. As time went by during the job training, I began to understand how to work in hospitality, especially housekeeping. I learned everything from the simple SOP to touch I had no previously studied in school. There were many new lessons about standard operational procedure directly in hotels versus what could only be learned theoretically. I also had many experience handling guests who had various wishes that we had to fulfill as part of the service we provide. The experience of handling guests well, publicity, kindly, and service wholeheartedly is the key for the hospitality employer. Guest review are actually for hospitality success.